London Open, 2:21 in the morning. Will it hit my take profit? There's $100 there. Really wanted to run the wicks on this 30-minute. Right here is the bottom I'm aiming for. If you look on the 30-minute chart, you can see it's really close to them. I would think there's some liquidity there that needs to be taken out, but maybe not. Once again, I was up $100 on this trade. Didn't take it. I've had that happen 3 times with trying to get funded here. I got up 175, didn't take it. Ended up being a losing trade. Got up 175 again, didn't take it. Made $50. Here, I got up 100, didn't take it, and it was immediately down 25 again. So it's kind of making me sweat. This is for all the marbles. If this trade works, I'm funded. I don't know. Part of me thinks I should just take a $100 bill 2 or 3 times because I'm seeing it every time I get into a trade. Don't try to get it in one trade, although I think it could go there. Another $100 bill. Take it? Do we leave it? I'm going to take 175 as an omen. And I'm going to
Order filled.
hit it again. I think we're probably going to go where I wanted it to go. But the fact that this one is just a little bit lower than that one kind of tells me that the stops had already been taken out. It might go, but I think I'll catch the next one on the run up. So right now we're $85 away from being funded. Let's go back to 1 minute. This is our line. I'm actually going to try to take a long when we hit this area right here. Let's see. Make sure. Yeah, perfect. If it hits it, I'm going to take a long. Just a quick long. If we reverse here, then I'll take a long either way. See, it would have. It could have been already funded just from where it is right now. Could have already been funded there too. Point sharply away. That's a balanced range now. I'm going to try it.
Order filled.
I'm just going to take whatever profit it'll give me here. Hopefully it'll give me a little run up. There we go. A little more run up. Stalling. 75, 80. There we
Order
go.
filled.
That got me there. 53,02509. We're done. Zippity dadgum doodah. I am a funded prop trader.